Lesno, brat.
Toksikologija budala.
Што се плашиш, бе? Добар ден, дечки, се наоѓаме на игралиштето во Наслба Лисичек, каде што почна све. Јас сум Ник Леман, вие гледате Слободни фрлања. Всушност, ова е последната епизода од првата сезона. Беше интересно. Оваа епизода, ветувам, ќе биде најинтересна на сега.
And now, for your Tafataskopje at 6'7", playing in the power forward position from Ridge Point High School, the Tafta Beast, Amir Smith.
Dobar den, brat, Kasi.
Добар ден, добар ден.
How are you, bro?
You like this introduction?
Oh, man, I love it. Perfect, bro. Odlično.
Топ, супер. Ни дојде дечки Амир Смит од ТФТ Скопје. How do you feel, man?
Man, I feel great, man. Happy to be here. Good weather, finally. It doesn't get better.
I saw your statistics
Da.
this season. You're shooting free throws at 75% around, and I know that your specialty is defensive end.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. That's
So, ќе те видиме со Никола на Слободни. Let's shoot.
Let's go.
First question, Amir, it's your first professional contract and also a debut for Tafata in the first league. Tell me, what are your expectations individually and with the team?
For myself, I'm just happy to be here, one, and I just want to make a name for myself around the world, hopefully, to set up a good future for myself and to continue to move up. And for TFT, I like what we're doing so far. We're helping the team win. I hope that we continue that and maybe win this cup.
Второ прашање. You're averaging almost a double-double per game and you're second in blocks in Macedonian League, but on limited time. Tell me, do you want to play more minutes to be able to contribute more for the team's success? Because I know you can.
I would definitely love to play more minutes, and I do think it would be beneficial, but you know, we're doing well. And so as long as we're doing good, it's not a big deal to me. Obviously, I'm here to make a name for myself and do what I do. But as long as we're doing good, it's not too big of a deal. You know, if we're ever down or something and I need to come in and play all 40 minutes, I'll do what I must do.
You have basketball genes. Your father, Joe, was the #1 pick at the '95 NBA draft and had a long, solid career. Do you feel any pressure about repeating his success?
I used to, but now I'm realizing I'm walking in my own shoes, you know, this is my own path. And so, not really, you know, I just have to stay focused. If I allow myself to be pressured, then it takes away from my game, it takes away from my skills. And so, no pressure, but obviously I want to be where he was.
With that kind of shooting. Четврто прашање. Your father played in the MJ era and shared locker rooms with Kobe, LeBron. Have you ever met some of these guys in person? Or if not, what's the most interesting experience from those days, from those games?
It's been so long, you know, but I definitely have great experiences going to see him and seeing some of the best players alive to ever play the game. It was a great motivation for me, you know. It helped me see where he was and where I want to be. And having that image in my head, it sticks with you and it makes you every single day say, I remember what I saw and I know where I want to be.
Amir, tell me, who's your basketball role model?
Two of them. My dad, of course, has always been my biggest motivation, but Kobe Bryant, who I wear on the back of my jersey, is a huge inspiration for me because his dedication to the game, his love and passion is what made him great, and knowing that, it helps me try to approach the game the same way each and every day, and it helps me be the best that I can be each and every day.
Tell me, we know that you are a high flyer yourself, but who is your all-time favorite NBA Slam Dunk champ?
Well, as of lately, I feel like the best players, they haven't been winning, but my favorite dunker to be in it is probably Aaron Gordon because of his creativity and his supreme athleticism.
That's cheating, man!
Let's know, man.
Amir, do you plan to sign up for the NBA draft in near future? And what do you think it's necessary to make it to the big league?
Of course, man. You know, I've always had dreams to make it to the NBA. And so I'm not going to give up now. I think if I continue doing what I'm doing now,
Jay's still young and fresher.
hey, man, if I continue to do what I'm doing now, then the future is bright. I just have to keep working hard, putting in my time on the court, and helping us win as many games as we can.
And now he missed. Number 8. Can you compare to us real quick the style of play and level of the play here in Macedonia compared to the NCAA?
Of course, that's easy. In the NCAA, it's more strength, speed, athleticism.
Fast breaks.
Yeah, you know. Here, it's more of a mind game. You know, you have to be smart. You have to know the game.
We are playing chess here.
Not checkers. And so you have to really know what you're doing, and it takes some time to adjust. But once you make that adjustment, having the knowledge and having the athleticism, it only helps you, bro.
Не перцепирам коментари ко блуване.
Just like that.
Девето прашање. До сега промаши 2. Да видиме. Amir, tell me what do you like the most here in Skopje and Macedonia?
Oh man, there's so much to choose from, bro. I think my favorite things here would have to be the food. A lot better, healthier, and more options. And the people here, man, are so nice. And the city, it's just so relaxed and it's so beautiful, man.
И стигнавме до 10-то прашање, да видиме Амир дали ќе погоди. Amir, I saw some highlights of you playing for the Hampton and making some energetic plays that hype everybody up. Do you miss the fans and do you play better in front of a packed arena? Бумши, каде бе?
Еве, на work and travel у Германија.
У Германија? Па нели корона е, нема кај да сиде сега, нели не дозволува?
Може бе со контекст, може. 90 дена, без виза, секој студент, само основен германски и тоа.
Топ. Топ, браво, со среќа.
Ала.
Of course I miss the fans. But I think it's kind of a good thing that I came here and I had a chance to focus on the game instead of the fans. But I can't wait to get the fans back in the stands, man.
Ај,
There we go.
7 од 10. Топ. Good job, man.
Hvala ti, brat.
Зашто на Амир Смит му е омилен Ерон Гордон, му направивме челендж да направи едно од неговите забивања. Да видиш како.
Оправдано безобразен твој филм, дечко. Нос глад, перспективен и независен. Но многу работа на страна, ке ти фали внимание. Најскупа е моето нервоза. Сите го
Ајде! Tense, all tense.
My turn to ask the question. What is one place that you think I should go in Skopje for the best food?
Interesting question. Fast food, седмица и Лесковац, slow food. Прашај го Боро, ќе ти каже све. Или дојди кај мене дома, ќе ти направам ручек. Come to my place, Elkur.
Odlično.
Добро. Слободно. Абе, умало секат ми иде, бе.
Number 3. What's your favorite country in the Balkan?
Македонија се разбира и многу ми се допаѓа Словенија. Мора да посетите Словенија. I'm on fire.
What position do you play?
I played. Now I'm retired. Не, играв back 2, sometimes 3, but now I'm retired. I am running the show now.
Плюс да ве опоменам.
Oh, пето.
Next question. Have you ever missed a free throw?
Nope. Сите тие слободни што ги видовте дека ги промашувам, све е тоа лажга. Сечено, лепено, монтирано.
Okay. Who's your favorite basketball player in the NBA?
It was Kobe. He's незаменлив. моментално. Now I like Steph Curry. King James also, you can't say anyone before him. My team are the Lakers, man. Your boy have shot like Steph Curry, man.
I must know, is it true that you're only making your free throws because I'm here?
Pretty much, it's my best game so far. Да, под притисок сум многу добар. Лези, ајде бе, што е ова 8 од 8?
I miss good luck, what can I say?
Еј, па го победив бе, 8-7. Да ги дошутнеме за нов рекорд у слободни, ајде. Because we came this far, I must make them all now. Yeah.
Of course. Do you think you can make it with one eye closed?
Oh, that's a tricky one. Oh, challenge, предизвик. Што е ова, Майкл Джордан? Чекај да се концентрирам.
Look at him. 10 for 10. You think you can do it?
Yeah, of course.
No pressure.
I'm the clutchest, man. I'm the clutchest. There are ice in my veins, man. Идеме, као на тренинг. И тоа е тоа, драги гледачи, 10 од 10. Драги гледачи, Никлеман е шампионот во слободни фрлања. Peace out. Чекај, стој. Peace out. Ајде бе. Полом вода за најдобрите шутери. Како што е редот, го победив Амир, сега ќе шутирам тројка. Delta Car, wash 3-point shot, да видиме од која ќе ја дадам.
Сум за твој шкартен хумор ефтин, по маркет хубав вози ме на битот рекет, си стрпам во кепек, полека до дека во теке, твој бетов веќе тој некако.
Абе, дали е ова реално? Дали е ова реално? Не можам да промашам. Кој Стеф Кари какви бакрачи? Дечки, во оваа епизода тимот на ТФТ Скопје реши доброволно да ни се приклучи во нашата донација и со тоа да дуплира вредноста на секое слободно фрлање. Што значи место 200, секое слободно фрлање вреди 400 денари. Јас и Амир заедно погодивме 17 слободни фрлања по 400 денари, тоа се вкупно 6800 денари. Тројката што погодив од прва 1500, сите тие средства заедно ќе бидат донирани во хуманитарни цели.
Сатара 2 кланица на траки.
Епа, дечки, тоа беше последната епизода од Слободни фрлања со Никлеман. Во првата сезона го имавме на гости Амир Смит. За да не го пратиме Амир Смит празен на кај дома, односно каде што престојува, му спремивме како и за сите гости и за него подарочиња. Имаме од Woody Moody една прекрасна изработка, што верувам дека ќе му се свиѓа. This will do well on your wall, man.
Of course, bro. Falati.
Мајчка Слободни фрлања. Една за Амир.
Fala.
И уште една за Боро, тренерот на ТФТ. Поздрав до него. Ќе му дадеш на Боро.
Fala.
Здрава храна Моринга. Нашите пријатели Микса Петисани. Healthy food.
Одлично. Fala.
И најголемото изненадување за денеска, бидејќи ни е роден ден. Гледај. Мистер Хент. Ќе го најдеме крајот на тортава, ќе изедеме цела до крај, за сега само ова.
Гледате фрито со Никлеман.
Гледајте Слободни фрлања со Никлеман.